Have you ever felt lost in life, like a small leaf drifting aimlessly on a turbulent river? How many times have harsh words or betrayal from those you trusted caused you to stumble? Maybe you're struggling with negative thoughts, haunted by fears, and feeling trapped in a whirlpool of misfortune. This video shares the true story of someone who once drowned in immense suffering, but they rose above the darkness and found light at the end of the tunnel. That is the miraculous power of change. The story begins with deeply haunting questions. Have you ever felt empty, not knowing where you are, what you're doing, or why you exist? Questions that have tormented our minds. But instead of letting the pain drag him down, the narrator chose to act, to walk the path of change. By confronting fear and overcoming bad habits, he found the motivation to change his life. Sincere advice like, start with the smallest things, love yourself, persevere, never give up, became guiding lights for those who are lost. The journey of change is never easy. It requires courage, perseverance, and a heart full of hope. But when we dare to step out of our comfort zone, dare to face challenges, we discover a vast, beautiful world where happiness and joy await. Face the pain, don't bury it, look directly at it, understand the cause, and find a way to overcome it. Change your habits, change your thinking, and change the way you view life. Remember, you are not alone. Many have found the path to happiness. Believe in yourself, believe in the power of change, and keep moving forward on your journey to find joy and fulfillment in life.